Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of skincare to bring you the best body butter for extremely dry skin.
And trust me, folks, we found a gem. Introducing the Weleda Skin Food Body Butter. This luxurious moisturizer comes in a sustainable glass jar and is packed with plant-rich ingredients like shea and cocoa butter, sweet almond oil, and pansy extract. What makes this body butter stand out? Well, for starters, its whipped texture melts into your skin, providing decadent hydration without feeling greasy. Perfect for those with parched, thirsty skin. But it's not just about hydration.
This formula is enriched with botanical extracts like calendula and chamomile, known for their soothing and restorative properties.
Plus, it's certified natural by NATRUE, so you can trust that it's free from harmful chemicals and synthetic fragrances.
Don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about the Weleda Skin Food Body Butter.
They love how it leaves their skin feeling soft, nourished, and moisturized, without any greasiness.
And with over 1,300 ratings and an impressive 4.6-star average,
it's clear that this product delivers results.
Whether you're dealing with rough elbows, cracked heels, or just need an all-over hydration boost, this body butter has got you covered.
And with its long-lasting formula, a little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective solution for your skincare routine. So there you have it, folks, the best body butter for extremely dry skin. Weleda Skin Food Body Butter. Say goodbye to parched skin and hello to silky smooth hydration.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy moisturizing.